Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to use text-to-speech in Instagram stories. So in order to do that, what you need to do is to head over to your Instagram app. And once you're in there, you can see this plus icon on the bottom right here. So click that. And once you're in there, you can see this option for reel. So click that. And then after that, you can see that you can record a video. So let's try recording. And now if you're satisfied with the video, just click on next. And in here you can put a text. Now you can do so by clicking the middle of the screen or by clicking this AA icon right here. So let's try clicking on any location of the screen. So let's put in something like and subscribe. You can put in anything that you want, but for me I put in this in. And since I've typed it, I can see that there's a like and subscribe icon right here. What I need to do is to just click on that. And as you can see right now, there's actually a little tutorial that I can help with this. So here it is. You can actually edit it to however long you like it to be. So let's try to edit it like that. You can drag this button right here in order to shorten it, or you can also drag it higher in order to expand to the video. So you can also add a video right here. So let's click on text. You can add another text. You can click on add audio right here. You can click on this voiceover, and you should be able to add a voiceover to your video. The next thing that you can do is if you click on this controls right here, you can be able to adjust your camera audio. If you click on the sound effects right here, you should be able to add sound effects to the music of your text to speech. So if we click on this add audio and let's try to add a voiceover, so let's try it. Click on done. As you can see, it is taking time to load, so let's just wait for it. And once it's loaded on your end, what you can do is just click on this icon right here in the bottom, and then you should be able to share it to your reels. But here's the catch, because after you share it to your reels, let's try to do that. As you can see, it is now sharing to my reels. Since I have now posted it, what I can do next is to just click on this icon right here, and there should be able option to add this reel to your story. And you should be able to add this to your story, just resize it however you want, and you should be able to do that. So let's click on this icon right here, and you should be able to add this to your story. Click on done. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.